Hi everyone, my name is Anna Dyagilev-Tkachuk. I'm an English and Spanish teacher from the northern part of Russia. I teach students of primary and secondary school, and I also teach mixed groups. And in these groups, I've got dyslexic learners. So for me, as for educator, the main goal is to find the learning tools which we use regularly, which can provide the sense of inclusion and accessibility in our classroom, no matter the fact what format of this classroom is, virtual one or offline. So I love Immersive Reader that I'm going to introduce you right now because of this magical inclusive feature. Okay, let me start sharing. One of the reasons why Immersive Reader is so great because there is an integration with these platforms. Let me share with you how Immersive Reader works and why it is so magical. Next to the text feature on the platforms where it is integrated, you can see the book icon, and when you click on it, you can see this read mode. It means that all the text can be read out aloud with the dictation feature there. It also could be changed and switched to female or male voice. And there is the voice speed. You can turn it down or up. Also syllables, parts of speech. You can use the picture dictionary, you can listen to a certain word, or you can also use the line focus, and also you can select the text size, which is really great. And the first platform that I would love to share with you where Immersive Reader is Bunsy. There is a book icon, by the way. On Bunsy, we are practicing with our reading aloud. For instance, it was the reading aloud project, and this Bunsy was made for it. You can see that all the features works here. You can even change the color of the background. My students absolutely love this feature. You can see the picture dictionary, which is super important and helps a lot to understand the sense of the text given to my dyslexic learners. You can also use the line focus for better concentration on the text. So that's why Immersive Reader is so perfect for practicing reading aloud. And this is #1 tool for us preparing for reading aloud project. Here is another amazing platform, Flipgrid, for improving students' social communicative skills, where teachers create their topics and students need to record their video responses. Here's the assignment area, and next to it there is Immersive Reader logo. Students need to click on this logo, and everything is here in the read mode like Immersive Reader is. So you can see that all the features work here, and students can easily get the sense of this assignment. They can create their beautiful videos and share with their beautiful voices. So that's how it works. Picture dictionary, dictation feature, everything can be translated, line focus. But it's not the end, because Immersive Reader works on Flipgrid in video responses area. All you need to do is just to open one of the videos of your students, and here is the Immersive Reader icon, which you need to click, and everything that was said in this video can be read by Immersive Reader, which sounds really inspiring and super inclusive, isn't it? And now Wakelet. Wakelet is a great curation tool. It's like organizer where students and teachers can create their collections and fulfill them with different bookmarks, PDF documents, and also text features. So they can add some notes, and there is Immersive Reader icon next to the text option. Here we go. All the features work really great, and in the same way as they usually work on Immersive Reader, you can create different things. For example, students can create their beautiful digital stories by using the pictures, video links, text. Teachers can create lesson plans because it's super easy to create and also to share with students, with their parents, and with their colleagues. Even if their parents came from different country and they don't speak in the language you teach, there is Immersive Reader that can help them to get the sense of the newsletter that you've shared as a teacher. Also, for example, on Wakelet, we've got Earth Day collection where we are doing the research first of all before we're going to create our presentations. And here's the link from the website, and next to the icon of read mode. When you click on this book icon, there is Immersive Reader icon. Here we can see that Immersive Reader works really great on Wakelet, and everything can be translated. Parts of the speech are highlighted, and your students can be a part of projects. Just give them a chance. The accessibility is really high here because students don't need to go to this website. You just add the link and they click on the read mode next to this link, and they are using Immersive Reader. This is amazing and super, super inclusive. And here is Word Online. Word Online is a part of Microsoft 365. And when you click on View button on your toolbar, there is Immersive Reader book icon. And all the features that are in Immersive Reader work here really great. We usually create letter template here, and my students practice their writing skills. And I'm really confident because here I know that my students, if they forget a word, they can understand the meaning of this word with Immersive Reader. And here is OneNote. OneNote is a part of Microsoft 365. Again, when we click on View button, we can see Immersive Reader book icon here. And I love OneNote because you can create beautiful lesson plans again and fulfill them with different links, videos. You can use the draw feature, audio feature, lots of things can be used on OneNote. And the funniest thing that I haven't used the text, but I've used the screenshot here. Wow. And the next platform is Wonderopolis. And Wonderopolis, I love it because there are lots of great tags that we can use as a wonder of the day. And we are learning about cheetahs there. And I found a great text, can a human outrun a cheetah? And my students can click on the I can listen and they can understand what this text is about, what this word is about. They can translate to their first language. They can use the picture dictionary here. And also this is a really great way for improving their reading comprehension skills. And here is Microsoft Edge browser, and Immersive Reader is already integrated to this browser. When you go and visit any website where you would like to read an article, you can see the book icon of Immersive Reader. You go and visit and you can see this read mode.
How many species live in the ocean? The number of species.
The reading aloud feature there and all the other features work. For instance, you can change the background color. You can use the different parts of speech that can be highlighted in different colors. And here is a great option, text size, which works really great for those who have got poor eyesight. If you're a great user of Google Chrome browser, there's Immersive Reader extension, which you can get by going to Chrome Web Store and setting this extension. The book icon will appear on your toolbar. You can go and visit any website, select the area, use the right click, and choose the Help Me Read This. Everything is going to be read out loud for you, and all the features that are on Immersive Reader are here. It is really great because no matter the fact on which browser you're working right now, you can use Immersive Reader and its great and amazing features. And now Immersive Reader offline extension that you can get in Microsoft Store. It means that you can use all the features of Immersive Reader. Just for instance, here I'm demonstrating how it works in Word when you have no internet connection. This is great because sometimes things happen. Just listen to this.
How many brothers or sisters do you have?
And the last but not least tool is Office Lens app that is available now in Google Play Market and Apple Store. You need to open this app, scan any page from any textbook and use Immersive Reader option here. And then the magic happens.
Sarah Cynthia Sylvia Stout would not take the garbage out.
Then you can use the other features that are available in this app. Isn't it great to bring such a huge amount of inclusion in your classroom? Everyone can get the sense of the information that is given in your textbook on the platforms that we mentioned today. I really love this tool. I hope you enjoy watching my ways of using Immersive Reader and about the platforms where Immersive Reader is already integrated. And the good news is that the number of the platforms and tools like this is increasing. And my biggest dream is that every student can say, I can do it. They can read a textbook with the help of the app like Office Lens, or they can read the article from the website. And that's how they can feel themselves much more empowered by the only idea that they can do it. Stay safe, take care, and if you have any questions or you want to share with your ideas, you can give me a follow on Twitter. My handle is Anna1, and you can subscribe to my YouTube channel. Stay safe and take care.